In this video, I will show you how to leverage SendPulse effectively in 2024 so you can optimize your marketing efforts and reach your audience seamlessly. For your convenience, the links to SendPulse website is in the description below so you can try it out. Firstly, let's delve into the user-friendly interface of SendPulse. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted with a clean dashboard providing easy navigation to various features. Next up, we'll explore the email marketing capabilities of SendPulse. With its intuitive drag-and-drop editor, crafting visually stunning and responsive emails has never been easier. Plus, SendPulse offers advanced segmentation options, ensuring that your messages resonate with the right audience segments. Moving on, we'll discuss the powerful automation tools offered by SendPulse. From welcome sequences to abandoned cart reminders, you can automate your entire customer journey, saving time and driving conversions. Furthermore, we'll touch upon SendPulse SMS marketing functionality. With high open rates and engagement levels, SMS marketing remains a potent tool in any marketer's arsenal, and SendPulse simplifies the process with its intuitive interface and robust analytics. Lastly, we'll highlight SendPulse's multi-channel approach. By integrating email, SMS, web push notifications, and chatbots, SendPulse empowers you to create cohesive and impactful marketing campaigns across multiple touchpoints. When it comes to pricing, SendPulse offers free plan up to 500 subscribers. Click the link in the description to try SendPulse for free.